Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can change the resolution on your Windows 11 computer. We will open the settings by typing settings in the search bar. A large number of options will open here, of which we need the display section. We click. In the new list of options, we need to find the scale and layout section. In it we need the display resolution option. We click on the drop-down list and select the resolution we need. Windows itself suggests which resolution is recommended. In some cases, it is not the one that would best fit into the size of our screen. To fix it, type Device Manager in the search bar. Let's open the first option. In the list of options, expand the display adapter. After that, we need to right-click on the driver of our graphics card and select the Update Driver option. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you in the new video.